Make sure you stay until the end. We will explain common mistake people make when replacing fuses, relays, guys, and how that can cost you quite a bit of money that you don't need to spend. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Chevy Malibu. We are talking about this generation here from year 2016 all the way to year 2023 currently. If you need to find where the fuse for the collision prevention is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy guys cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have a Chevy Malibu, we're talking about that generation here from 2006 to all the way 2023 guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video about every fuse, every relay in that car. Why we do that guys? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you're trying to find where the engine starter fuse or fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, search, less than 1-2 minutes, you fix that problem, you're back on the road. Because sometimes in the menus it will not be cleared, it will not be mentioned guys. If you need to buy guys, okay, any parts, tools, fuses, anything for your Chevy Malibu at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Now here at the garage guys, we constantly work on things, constantly working on new vehicles guys. We do engine work, mechanical work, transmission work, body work, anything you can think of. So we're constantly adding new vehicles. So if you need help with anything, just leave a comment below. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the collision prevention fuse, where you can expect to find it, we'll demonstrate on this 2017 Chevy Malibu. But even if you guys have a different year, as long as guys it's that generation, it should work. Now you have two different fuse boxes in this car guys. And the first one that we need is practically the only one on the driver's side. Open the door. If you come next to the steering wheel on the left side, if you see right here, right under the headlight switch, we have one cover. Once you open that cover, you have a fuse box there. In that fuse box, okay, you have multiple fuses. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So the collision prevention system, where it is guys, where is that fuse? So first let us tell you one thing, never assume fuse numbers, and you wonder why. Because for instance guys, okay, this is fuse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then they go 10, 11, 12, 13 and so forth. So if you guys have the collision prevention system, the fuse that you need to check is in that row. Here you start counting fuse number 38, 39, 40. If you have it guys, okay, we're talking about that fuse right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.